we interrupted for this program. This is National Emergency Alert System notification. Importantly, details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not test. A nuclear attack was commenced against the United States. 17 nuclear bombs have detonated in several areas across the country. They include Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Denver, Detroit, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, New York, New Jersey, New Mexico, Pennsylvania, Portland, Maine, Portland, Oregon, San Francisco, San Diego, Seattle, and Washington, D.C. At this time, all residents within a 400-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If there is a nearby location that has been designated as a fallout shelter, go there now. Otherwise, seek shelter in the interior part of a strong building on the lowest floor. Make sure you have food, water, and a battery-powered radio with you. Do not exit the fallout shelter until the all-clear has been given. Tune to station that is serving your local area for more information. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WX New Jersey TV. We will continue to serve the New Jersey area. If you are not for this local area, you would tune to stations to providing news and information in your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New Jersey area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This is emergency alert system. The emergency action notification has been activated.